Hello dear fans. What is the function of the cell membrane? According to the cell theory, each cell is capable of independent life. It can grow, multiply, exchange matter and energy with the environment. The internal organization of cells largely depends on the functions they perform in a multicellular organism, but they all have a single structural plan. Instructions. Step 1. Similarities in cell structure. Cytoplasmic membrane. Outside, the cell is covered with a cytoplasmic membrane 8 to 12 nanometers thick. This shell is built from a bilipid layer. Each lipid molecule has a hydrophilic head that sticks outward and a hydrophobic tail that faces inward. Such a double layer of fat cells provides a barrier function of the membrane, due to which the contents of the cell do not spread and hazardous substances do not penetrate into it. Step 2. What is the role of protein molecules immersed in the bilipid layer of the membrane? Numerous protein molecules are immersed in the bilipid layer of the cell membrane. Some of them lie on the surface, from the outside or inside, others penetrate the membrane through and through. These membrane proteins perform a number of important functions: receptor, transport, enzymatic. With the help of some of them, the cell perceives irritations; with the help of others, the transport of various ions is carried out, and others catalyze the processes of life of the cell. Step 3. What are phagocytosis and pinocytosis, and why the cell needs them? Large food particles cannot freely penetrate the cell membrane. The cell absorbs them by pinocytosis or phagocytosis. In the first case, solid particles are absorbed and drawn in. In the second, a liquid with substances dissolved in it. The common name for these processes is endocytosis. There is also a process opposite to this, exocytosis, during which substances synthesized by the cell, for example, hormones, are packed into membrane vesicles, approach the cell membrane, integrate into it and throw the contents out. Similarly, the cell gets rid of metabolic products. Step 4. Special membrane functions in prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, i.e. non-nuclear, the cell membrane performs a number of other functions. The bacterial envelope has numerous internal invaginations and folds, mesosomes. On their surface are enzymes that provide metabolic reactions. Mesosomes of prokaryotic cells perform the functions of mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, or lysosomes. Thanks for watching.